7 ways to start minimizing next year's tax. Now, keeping track of your tax throughout the year can save you money at filling time. We show you the best ways to do it properly. The last thing you want to think about when you have just failed your tax in next year's tax, even when you are for the past tax year went well. Most people want a break from the topics, but as the guys income tax prep should be a not a sprint. It's something you should be thinking about and planning for all year. Now is the perfect time to start while this past year's tax issues are still fresh in your mind. After all, your current financial activities affect your return next spring, and you want those activities to impact those returns in the best way possible. If you have not failed your taxes yet, you do not better get on it, as everyone who's ever done it can tell you. The last minute tax scramble can be extremely stressful, and if you make mistakes or cut corners, it might be expensive or at least. If you find yourself being if you are not able to make the April 180 2023 deadline, you can at least file for an extension that said the IRS expects you to pay at let's say pertain of what you own. When you file for an extension, whether you have already failed for the 2022 tax year, here are 7 ways to keep income tax in the back of your mid all year with practical tips that can help make you tax experience next year a little more present. Your events in your life can affect your 2023 taxes, some of them in big ways. For example, if you get married or discard, have a baby or adopt a child, or have a spouse or a dependent die or more or move away from your home, your filing status and tax benefits eligibility will change. Similarly, starting a college career, buying a home, or joining the rank of the will alter the way you complete your 2023 from 1040. If you know ahead of time what impact these events have, you might be able to make adjustment in other areas of your financial profile. If the IRS has a helpful page about life event that you should consult for more specific guidance. If you are a W2 employee, consider the outcome of your 2022 tax. Did you get a large refund, or did you have to pay a significant amount? If either is the case, you should think about changing your withholding, especially if you have experienced or well experienced one or more of the life event listed above. The IRS tax withholding estimator may be helpful here. You will have to fill out a new Form 4 way to change your withholding status. If you are or will be self-employed for the first time in 2023, you will need to estimate how much you will earn in taxes every based on your income and expenses for each period, and send that amount to the IRS and state tax